Most people think that this channel is about Notion. It's not. This channel is about skills that make you irreplaceable: systems thinking, context engineering, and reliable automation. Notion just happens to be one of the best playgrounds to learn these skills in. By the time that you're done here, you won't just know how to click buttons in Notion. You'll know how to think in systems, build things at scale, and then transfer those skills to whatever tool comes next. And here's the main problem. Most people are learning tools instead of learning the actual systems. They're chasing the next productivity app instead of understanding the fundamentals. They're building brittle setups that break at the moment the tool changes. And when Notion becomes obsolete, and it will, or when something else becomes the next big thing, they're starting from zero again. Let you into a secret. The people who win aren't the ones who know the most tools. They're the ones who understand systems, prompting, context engineering, and how to steer AI reliably. So why Notion? Because Notion is the perfect playground. It has native access to all of your context, all of your tasks, projects, strategy documents. Unlike a connector like in GPT or Claude, it lives inside of your workspace. You can build databases and relationships, model real systems, not just chat interface. You can create custom agents that do autonomous work while you sleep. You can also use formulas and logic that teach you how to think programmatically, but without writing the code. Everything that you learn building agents in Notion applies directly to working in a terminal like with Claude Code, building better Claude and GPT projects, whatever comes next. The tool changes, but the thinking does not. Now, I've spent over a decade in systems thinking, working in accounting, in fintech, with some of the largest, most innovative companies, building scalable products. I'm not teaching Notion as a product. I'm teaching you how to think like a systems architect. So what are you going to learn here? These are the 3 core skills that I'll be teaching across all of my content. First is prompt engineering. How do you get AI to do exactly what you want? And reliably. Not sometimes, but every time. 2, context engineering, feeding AI the right information at the right time so that it doesn't hallucinate or give you generic outputs. It's going to be tailored to your specific situation. 3, systems building. Building architectures that scale, not just one-off hacks that fall apart when you need them the most. And the outcome of all of these skills will be that you'll be able to build agents that work for you. CRM systems, meeting note processors, knowledge bases that update themselves, all within your context and your constraints. And you're also going to understand why they work, so that the next time you need to build a system for yourself, you can build it faster. So who's this channel for? This channel is for you if you're tired of tool hopping and you want to learn something that lasts. If you want to build systems that run while you sleep, if you're curious about AI, but you don't know where to start, Notion is going to be a low stakes sandbox. This channel is for you if you want to learn skills that make you irreplaceable in the AI era, while everyone else is using the same tools to get generic outputs. Now, this channel is not for you if you just want Notion templates or button clicking tutorials. There's going to be plenty of those out there. This is not it. Now, if you want to go deeper, if you want step-by-step builds, actual agent architectures you can copy paste into your own Notion system. The community of people learning this stuff, I run a community called Notion Agents Mastery. You're gonna get those agent instructions, weekly build calls, all the real systems that I use with clients to help them optimize their work in their Notion workspaces. Check it out, link in description if you're interested. And if this resonates with you, subscribe and stick around. I'll be breaking down these systems, building those agents live, and showing you exactly how this stuff works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.